Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook a mouth-watering pork delicacy of the Khasi tribes from northeast India called Dohjem. Dohjem is quite exotic, however the recipe is really simple and basically it's pork with sesame seeds. So now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Pork, sesame seeds paste, crushed ginger, crushed garlic, turmeric powder, onions, oil, salt, bay leaf. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. In the meantime, take a bay leaf, burn the tip and add it into the pan. This enhances the flavor of the bay leaf. At this point you can add onions, however I'm going to skip it since it's optional, and add the turmeric powder and saute them for a minute. It's time to add your ginger garlic paste and sesame seeds paste. Stir them well and cook it for a minute. Add your pork pieces and a pinch of salt. Stir them well and open cook it for 15 minutes. We did not add salt since the dish is tricky when it comes to seasoning and we don't want to mess it until we achieve a certain level of expertise, so we will adjust it later. Now add 1.5 cup of water. Stir it well and cover and cook it for 30 minutes, occasionally stirring in between until the meat is cooked. We will open cook it for 5 minutes and also adjust the salt. Once the water has completely dried, voila, our dohjem is ready. The meat is utterly delicious. The sesame seeds have added a deeper and nuttier flavor, while the fragrance of the bay leaf just peeps out flawlessly. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family and let me know in the comments.